Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 12.2 question number 1 expressed in standard form. So first we'll see whether the number is a small number or a large number. You can see it is starting from point, so it is a small number. So the exponent will be negative. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we'll write it as 8.5 into 10 raised to minus 12, negative because it is starting from point. Similarly, next we'll start counting from this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 9.42 into 10 raised to minus 12. Now the next number will same method, but it is a large number, so the answer will be in a positive exponent. We'll start from the second digit because after first digit we'll place point, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 10 raised to plus 15. Now next is again a small number. We'll start counting till the first digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll write 8.37 into 10 raised to minus 9. Next is a large number. We'll start counting after the first digit. So from here we will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this will write 3.186 into 10 raised to 10. So in large numbers we'll write positive power and in small numbers we'll write negative power. In small numbers we'll start counting after the decimal point till the first digit. In large numbers, we'll start counting after the first digit till the last digit. Now we'll move on to question number 2. Now question number 2 is express the following numbers in usual form. So what we just did in question 1, just opposite of that. It is given in the standard form and we have to convert into usual form. Now here you can see the negative exponents. First we'll go for the negative exponents. For negative exponents we'll start from right hand side and we'll move towards left hand side. Whatever digits are written, first we'll write that without the decimal, that is 302. We'll begin from 3 and we'll count 6 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and point, and before point we always write 0. So for negative exponents, we'll go from right to left. Now again I am considering the negative exponent, then I will explain positive exponent. Here it is written 3, so first we'll write 3 and 8 power. So again this side 8 countings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a point, and before point we always write 0. So for negative exponents we'll move from right to left, and for large exponents we'll move in the opposite direction, that is from left to right. So question number 2 is a large exponent because it is a positive exponent. So 4.5 we'll write first 45 without the decimal digit. We'll start counting after 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly here the next is again a large exponent. First we'll write this digit as it is and we'll move from left to right, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. We'll start counting after 1 and till 9 digits we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly again the next is also a large exponent. So first we'll write the digit 5.8 without the decimal. So 58 will start from 8 or after the point, and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now this whole digit will write as it is without the decimal point, 361492, and we'll start counting after the point, that is we'll start from 6 and power is 6, so we'll count 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So for positive exponent you have to move from left to right, that is this way, and for negative it is opposite, from right to left. Now we'll go on for the next question, number 3. Now we will solve question number 3 expressed in standard form. 1 micron is equal to, it is given 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write it as 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters. Now we'll move to second question. Now next question is question number 2. Charge of an electron is given 0 point so many zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunches of 3. So total 18 zeros. And we place the point after 1. So 18 plus 1 total 19. So we'll write 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Similarly, next question is, third question, size of a bacteria is given. You have to convert. So first we'll count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after this 7, so after 5 we'll write, so 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meters. Similarly, you can try out question 4 and 5 as homework. Now moving towards the last question of the exercise, question number 4. It is given that, you read the question carefully, then it is given that thickness of one book is given 20 mm. There are 5 books, so thickness of 5 books will be 20 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 100 mm. And thickness of one paper sheet is given, which is 0.016 mm. There are 5 paper sheets, therefore thickness of 5 paper sheets will be 0.016 multiplied by 5, that is 0.080 mm. Now we have to find total thickness, so we have to add this to, now we have to find total thickness. For that we have to add thickness of 5 books and thickness of 5 paper sheets. So first we'll convert into power exponent, that is this will become 1 into 10 raised to 2 and this will become 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. As it is a smaller, it is beginning from point. So 1, 2 and third is 0. So we can neglect the last 0. So we can write 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. But here you can see that this is negative exponent and this is positive exponent. So first we have to convert either positive into negative or negative into positive. So 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 I can write as 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to 2. This is already there. Now I am adding 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to minus 2, which will not make any difference because here base is same. So when you will add the powers, 2 minus 2, 10 raised to 0, which is 1. So I have multiplied by 1. So there will be no change. This I had done to make the powers same. Now 10 raised to 2 I will write aside as I want my same powers. So this 10 raised to 2 I am keeping aside. 10 raised to 2 remaining is 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 and minus 2. So it will become minus 4. Again 8 into 10 raised to minus 4 I can write as 0.0008 into 10 raised to 2. So this is my thickness of paper sheets and this was the thickness of book. Now I can add here total thickness is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 0.0008 into 10 raised to 2. I will take 10 raised to 2 common. So it will become 10 raised to 2 1 plus 0.0008, that is 1.0008 into 10 raised to 2. So this is our answer. This is the total thickness in meters.